Hey, how you doing guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do code and stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called reverse bits. Reverse bits of a given 32 bits in signed integer. The input binary string is here represents then signed integer this value, so return this value, which is binary representation. Its binary representation is this. Here the same. Note that in some languages such as Java there is no unsigned integer type. In this case both input and output will be given as signed integer type and should not affect your implementation, as the internal binary representation of the integer is the same whether it's signed or unsigned. In Java, the compiler represents the signed integers using two's complement notation. Therefore, in example 2 above, like here, right? The input represents then the signed integer minus 3, and the output represents the signed integer, this value. If this function is called many times, how would you optimize it? Well, let's start. I'll show you how to do that. First, you need to create a variable result equals to 0. Then we create a for loop int I equals to 0, I is less than 32. There are like 32 bits, right? Unsigned integer. And I plus plus. Next, we calculate the result by taking the last, by doing AND operation, right? There is an AND operator. We do N and 1. As you know, guys, like 0 and 0 equals to 0. 0 and 1 equals to 0, and 0 and like not 0, like 1 and 1 equals to 1 right here. So we calculate the result. We take we say plus here, plus equals. Every time at each iteration we suppose we are here, right? So we take 0 and 1 equals to 0, so we just add 0 to the result. If we have, in the case when we have 1 and we do 1 and 1, so result equals to, like, we just add 1 to this result. And also we need to, in order to handle other cases, we say just n, we do the right shift, logical shift, unsigned, by 1, and if I is less than 31, the range of integer is up to 2 raised to 31 minus 1, and here it's 0 based, right? So we say result, we do the left shift, like arithmetic, right? And say 1 by 1, and finally you need to return the result. That's it. That's the whole problem. Let's run this code. We will see how that works. Accepted. Good. let's submit. So good. So to optimize this solution, we can split integer into 4 bytes, like 4 multiplied by 8 equals to 32, right? And then we reverse that bytes and combine the byte into into an integer, and we can use map data structure in order to improve that performance. We can use byte into that map, right? That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. I do all LeetCode problems. Follow me on social medias, and see you next time. Thank you.